In 1921, an unknown foreign actress came to Hollywood. 15 years later, she left a total stranger. Today, she remains an enigma. An enigma was born in the friendly Finnish fishing village of Tomsk. Her father, a Dutch captain, her mother, a French polisher. But from an early age, Anna yearned for the theater. She broke free from the family foes of the friendly Finnish fishing village of Tomsk and went to finishing school. Then, in her professional debut as a fashion model, she attracted the attention of talented casting director Stig Sturman-Drang. Sturman-Drang quickly saw her vast potential. He rushed her to Hollywood and landed her a part in Matt Busby Berkeley's hilarious extravaganza, 3,000 Girls Jump into the Sea. Even in this small, almost insignificant role, Anna's magnetic animal quality made an unforgettable impact. Sturman-Drang persuaded her to change her name to Emma Bargo, which is Finnish for pine forest. Emma Bargo was put under contract by Louis B. Maby and startled the world in her first starring role.
Maria, you can't come in now. I can't tell you why. Come back in 5 minutes.
Cinema goers were amazed by the aggression and unprecedented physicality of her lovemaking. She became a star overnight, known to movie-going millions. But her private life remained a mystery.
I was Bargo's publicist for many years. I remember the first time she came to my office, she said, "Mo, I want the whole world to know that I hate publicity. I hate it, I loathe it, I shun it." Stormed out. So I hung up every newspaper I know and gave them a message. Don't bug Bargo. That's the biggest story I ever handled.
But like it or not, Bargo was a star. And like all of us stars, in a way, she belonged to her public. Her name was linked romantically with many famous men.
No comment.
No comment.
No comment.
No comment. But by some mysterious process, Bargo's private life spilled over into her screen persona. She gave so much of herself, radiating a strange, nervous, mystic intensity. Half human, half angel. One moment a mischievous child, the next a 1,000-year-old woman. What actor could hold his own against this combination of magic and sensuality? Not even tempestuous Lionel Baltimore III. In my hacienda there are many vines, ripened by the hot Grecian sun. But that sun is but a flickering candle compared to the white heat of my passion for you. Kiss me.
Not yet. For what is love? Love is a beast we feed all through the night, and then in the morning he's gone.
What are you doing?
In my life I have known many men, rich, talented, famous, brilliant, irresistible man. But never in my whole life have I found one like you. Small, stupid, ignorant, smelling. I'm to boot.
Watch now in this scene how, despite the fiery skills of co-star Charles Boyer, Bargo still manages to rivet our attention.
I've come to say goodbye, Josephine.
Must you go, Napoleon?
Oui, Josephine. I have to go to war, and war is a man's business.
Can't I come with you, Napoleon?
What would a tender little girl like you do up at my front? Josephine.
There has never been a more complete professional. 1939 came the news that shattered the world. Bargo retires. Why did she retire? Why don't I retire? Only God, the ultimate showman, can answer that question. Since then, she has lived the life of a recluse in a 73-room apartment, of which 72 are empty, emerging occasionally to post a letter to one of her inner circle, or making the rare, unobtrusive shopping expedition.
I want to be alone! My God, you leave me alone! Please, leave me alone!
Perhaps nobody will ever penetrate her inner mystery, and indeed, should we ever try. For she will live forever in our hearts and on the silver screen. That is her memorial.
This video is brought to you by The Concluding Chapter of Crawford, a comprehensive research guide to Joan Crawford. www.theconcludingchapterofcrawford.com. Join us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.